Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to draw a histogram of the data given below. So this data is a special data, we can observe it. It is showing the age in year and number of children. Age in year is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 7. We are observing the class interval is continuous. One more thing we have to observe, the class size. Here if we subtract 2 and 1, 2 minus 1, it will be equal to 1. Here is a class size. Here is a class size of 1. Class size means gap. 3 minus 2, it is also equal to 1. Here 5 minus 3, here it is equal to 2. Now in these two class interval we have a gap of 1 1. But in the third we have a gap of 2. It means here the class size differ. Let us move to the next. 7 minus 5, again here the class size is 2. Move to the next. 10 minus 7, here class size is 3. 15 minus 10, here class size is 5. And 17 minus 15, it is equal to 2. So in these class interval, what we are observing, it is in continuity, but the class size is not same. So before drawing the histogram, we have to do a little changes in the table. What we're going to do, we're going to find the length of the rectangular strip. So let us first make two column. Let us first make two column in the, I'm making in the same. Number first, we're going to take the width. Width means class size. So here we have find the width is 1 by subtraction, which we have done over here. Here is also we have the width 1, here we have width 2, here we have width 2, then here 3, then 5 and 2. Now let us move to the next, the last column. We're going to describe the length of the rectangle. Length of rectangular bars. You know that whenever we draw the graph we get the rectangular bars, so we have to find their length. So this point you have to listen it carefully. First of all, we have to take the minimum width. Here we have the minimum width 1. This minimum width we have to multiply in all. We have to multiply minimum width in all. Then frequency means number of children, we have this. Taking each column, we have to write frequency at the numerator and the width against it at the denominator. Here frequency at the numerator and width at the denominator. Here 6 upon 2. Here it will be 12 upon 2. Frequency you have to take at the numerator. This point you have to note 10 upon 5 and 4 upon 2. Now let us do the calculation. When we multiply it by 1, we'll get the same number. So here in the division we have 1, in multiplication 1. So after calculation we'll get 5 only. Here also 1 and 1 we have, we'll get 5. This will be cancelled. So here it will be equal to 3. 2, 6, 12. This will be equal to 6. 3, 3, 9. This will be equal to 3. 5 to 10, this will be equal to 2, and 2 to 4, this will be equal to 2. So now we're going to consider what numbers. We're going to take these strips, the length of these strips and the frequency. So let us start. Now on the graph paper, what we have to take the class intervals, the numbers of class interval and the length. These two portions you have to take. So here is a graph. So here we have the graph. I have drawn the horizontal line and the vertical line. On the x-axis we're going to plot the point of the class interval, and on the y-axis we're going to plot the point of the length of strip that we have find. So let us first take the ages first number is 1, then 2, 3, 5. We're going to take the number like this because 2, 3, 5, 7 are repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 17. So we are observing the largest number over here is 17. So what we're going to do, in spite of taking number one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, we're going to take a gap of 2. So here I am marking the number 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, 14, 16 and 18. Till 18 we are taking because the largest number we have is 17. Now rectangular, length of rectangular bars, we have the largest number over here as 6. So in continuity we can take the number 0. After 0 we're going to take 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here we are observing we have the equal gap from starting to the last. We have the gap of 2, 2, 2, 2. So no need to draw the kink over here. Now let us start plotting. Number first, we have class interval 1 and 2. So let us first highlight where the 1 will lie. This is the x-axis which is showing the class interval. So 1, where 1 will lie between 0 and 2. It means the middle point over here. 1. This is 1, this is 2. We have to extend the bar of 1 and 2 up to the height 5. So we have the number 5 over here. So we're going to extend the line of 1 and 2. In this histogram you will get some bars as thin and some will be thicker. Move to the next 2 and 3. 2 is over here and 3. 3 again it will lie between 2 and 4. This way we will going to extend up to 5. Again it will be extended up to 5. So the same point we have to take. We have to extend it up to 5. So both of them are same. Next 3 and 5. This we have to extend up to 3. 3 and 5. 5 will be between 4 and 6. It means it will be over here. Up to 3 we have to extend, means 3 we have this point. So the line of 3 is already drawn. Let us extend the line of 5. We get this strip. Next 5 and 7 up to 6. 5 we have over here and 7 between 6 and 8. This we have to extend up to 6, means the topmost point. So let us extend it up to 6. Then the point of 7 we have to extend up to 6. So this is the fourth strip. Next is 7 and 10. This we have to take up to 3. 7 is this and 10 is this. We have to take up to 3. This is the third point. So now here we are observing this one is looking a thick bar. Let us see the second last point. We have 10 and 15. This we have to extend up to 2. 10 is over here. This is 13. So leave it. We have 15 over here. We have to take this bar. So this is the bar of 10 and 15. This is the bar of 10 and 15. Next, last is 15 to 17 up to 2. This is 15 and 17 is between 16 and 18. Again it is up to 2. So this one. So this way we are observing the thickest most rectangular strip is this one, which I have shaded. This is between 10 and 15. So whenever you have such a data in which the class size differ, then first of all you have to make a table. In that you have to find the length of the rectangular bars, and then according to it you have to plot. So here you will get the size of the rectangular strip different. Thank you.